Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove or add your joystick to your Nintendo Switch. And to do this, you need to lift your Nintendo Switch, then turn it on the other side like this. And from here you can see these two buttons. You press on one and then you can lift it up like this. And you can remove it. We're gonna do it with the red one as well. Like this. Now we don't have any sticks around, and to add them again you'll need to adjust your Nintendo Switch on the side that you want for a specific controller. So the blue goes to the left side when you look at the screen, so we're gonna add it here. And you'll need to place it carefully on the rail like this and just move it slowly on like this till you hear the clicking sound. And let's do the red one as well. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.